Smart augmented reality contact lenses. Are they close? Let us begin. So what are smart augmented reality contact lenses? Basically contact lenses that put the display of your laptop, phone or computer directly into your field of vision, and you use your eyes like a mouse. They've actually been discussed for quite a few years, and they do seem to be a certainty on our path to super sapiens. It makes sense. They will in the future be able to considerably improve our sight, give us night vision and detect any disease in our eyes. A lot of that is in the distant future though. What is close is everything we expect from augmented reality glasses, but in the form of contact lenses. Meaning to say, the wearer will be able to access augmented reality data in the real world via their contact lenses, like Google Maps, bio data such as heart rate, and digital renderings such as a monster at a theme park. In the future, you'll be able to pass a clothing shop, see a digital pair of shoes, manipulate them using your eyes and buy them to be delivered to your house, all without the need of speaking to a real life person. Whole stores will probably become completely augmented and will probably have only a single pair of shoes in each size for people to actually try on. The rest, what you see on the shelves, will only be digital renderings. But we're not there yet. That's a few decades into the future at least. Which brings me to Mojo Vision, a company based in California. The feeling I get from Mojo Vision's website, the link to which is in the description, is that these are visionaries with the implicit goal of advancing human capabilities. It actually says this on their site, and these people have just developed the first working smart augmented reality contact lens. I don't want to bore you with the spec details, but what you should know is they have been using radio to connect the lens to a relay that will most likely be worn around the neck and will house the processor, memory and GPU to run the display. The radio signals will be at 5 GHz because Bluetooth will have too much latency. The relay is what will be receiving eye tracking information from the smart lens and determining where to stream data in your visual field, which the lens will then react to. There's going to be medical grade batteries in the lens, as well as the world's smallest micro LED display at 0.5mm, which will have 14,000 pixels per square inch. The lens includes, and I quote, a teeny tiny reverse Cassegrain telescope like the Hubble built into the lens. The result is eye tracking that's 10 times better than anything available today, which enables the ability to build an eye-controlled user interface, such as the one that they're using here. They charge at night, just like a smartwatch, in the cleaning or charging case, and the investors include Amazon, Stanford, Motorola, and more. Mojo Vision have been working on this for 7 years now, and they've just started human trials with it, so these are not in the distant future, but I do see some issues. One is the fact that you will need to get these lenses medically fitted, which is going to come at a cost, and I expect that's not going to be cheap. The other is the look they give the wearer. You see, it's one thing to get the necessary components down to a certain size and then be comfortable in the eye, but it's quite another to make those components invisible. With the images that I've seen, the wearer quite literally looks like a cyborg, and they will be a cyborg, but it will turn people off if they don't sort out the colour issue. A lot of our communication is done with the eyes, and people might find it difficult to hold conversations with people who look basically evil. Turning the green components white should help, but then could aggravate the feeling of speaking to the devil himself. But the technology is here and it is functional. Maybe it will soon be surpassed by Elon Musk's Neuralink, where rather than wearing any type of eyepiece, the visual and audio information could be beamed directly into your brain, but that's for another video. If you want to keep on top of all that, hit the subscribe button and I will keep you updated.